Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Premiere Pro series, and in this video we are going to learn how you can animate your layers from effect controls. So let's get started. Alright, we have two videos here in the timeline, and in the previous video we've learned how to change your video's position, scale, rotation and so on. Now in this video we are going to learn how you can animate your video, and what I mean by animate is that suppose you want this first clip to be resized at some point, and this time we are going to animate this video so that we can see our video animating on our program window. So before starting we need to know about keyframes. Here in the effect controls you can see a small watch icon is swing, and whenever you click on it then your Premiere will start recording any changes you made on your video. For example, I want to change my video position in this specific part, and I'll just drag these both values to determine the position of my video. So after that, here you can see that two diamond shaped dots have appeared, and this is known as keyframes. So we can say that keyframes are an indicator that helps us to know the initial and final position of our video. Now you can see that this is the initial position of our video and this is the final position of our video. Also you can see that these two values are also changing whenever I'm dragging my playhead. Similarly, if you want to change the scale of your video, then again you can do the same thing, but before moving, here you can see two buttons are given, and if you click on this button then your playhead will automatically move on your next keyframe so that you can match your timing very easily. After that you can change the value to rescale your video, and now if we play this video then you can see that our video is animating. And if you want, then you can drag these keyframes just like this to make a delay on your animation. Also, if you wish, then you can animate your rotation by applying the same thing. And this kind of animation can be done with images as well. And if you want to remove your keyframes, then you can click on this small stopwatch icon to remove all your keyframes. So that's it for this video. If you have any queries regarding this video, then do let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do consider subscribing this channel for more new releases. So this is Tricky for you, anywhere, signing out.